I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Friday, and these are your announcements. Any girl wishing to run, jump, or throw for the DHS women's track and field team, please stop by A225 and let Coach Park know. Even if you're playing basketball, soccer, swimming right now, Coach Park needs your sizes, and he is here today, so you can stop by. Sophomores and juniors, if you would like to attend a college fair during school on Friday the 26th from 9 to 11 in Fort Worth, please come by the first floor office and pick up a permission slip. We are only taking the first 100 students to sign up, so get those slips in now. Attention all NHS members, please turn in your required service hour documentation to your assigned sponsor today. Students who would like to have a new calendar, see Miss Russell in 235 or Miss Johnson in the first floor office. Students, if you plan on attending the Fort Worth Stock Show on Monday, free admission tickets are available in the first and second floor offices. Boys track and field will start after school on Wednesday, January 17th. Meet at the track no later than 4. Football players will start track at 6:45 a.m. on Tuesday morning. See Coach Wren if you have any questions. Parents and students, on Thursday, January 25th, there will be 2 parent informational presentations in the DHS auditorium regarding scheduling for next year. From 5:30 to 6:30, the counselors will present to the incoming sophomores and juniors, and from 6:30 to 8, incoming freshmen and their parents will receive information. Identical presentations will be held on Monday, January 29th, if you cannot make it. And on Tuesday, January 30th, the counselors will host a coffee with counselors from 8 to 10 in the first floor office for parents who have questions regarding scheduling. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
Okay, cool. That's my f***ing brother right there. You dig? Dexter. Ooh. Wait. Pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move.
UIL Spirit State Championship at Fort Worth and girls soccer at X-Town Shootout in Saginaw. They play at 11:30 a.m. and 4:50 p.m. And Lady Eagles basketball at Argyle. JV plays at 5, varsity plays at 6:15. And then men's basketball at Argyle. JV plays at 5, freshman plays at 6:30, and varsity plays at 8. Boys soccer at Argyle, they play at 5:30. Show up.
Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, if you only do things that you're familiar with, you may miss out on what you were meant to be. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Have a great day. Go all the sports.
Now for the question of the week.
Question of the week: what was your favorite Christmas present? So we got shirts, pants, subs for some car, unlimited data, life, thank you, God, whoa, my car, whoa, love, a good run, more subs, Pokemon, a potato, love, your mom, whose mom got stolen? Your mom, and a computer.
Have a great day.